one of the most important concepts because it deals with the understanding of the evolution of bodies of objects around you.
Most is specifically collision of vehicles in a road accident.
The law of conservation of momentum is generally stated as
This suggests that momentum is conserved with the collision. The word conserve means constant or natural. Objective. Describe how a balloon rocket works and how conservation of momentum explains rocket motion. Procedure 1. To reach the string over two poles, you can use cherry or iron stars as poles. Make sure that the string
inflates the balloon filled with powder baking soda is the open and temporarily secure it with paper tape. Tape the straw the balloon such that is aligned with the balloon's opening. See on the right.
Question: what did you observe after releasing the air from the balloon? When you open the balloon, gas contains the equalize the pressure inside the balloon with the pressure outside. The gas particles that emerge from the balloon exert stress in the ground and the air outside of the balloon. Question number 2. What is the direction of the balloon compared to the direction of the air coming from the balloon?
Rocket and balloon. The air rushes out of the balloon's neck. The air rushing from the balloon pushes it against it, causing it to the moon with the opposite direction.
Question number 3. The momentum of the air that push out the rocket is 10 meters per second. What can you infer about the momentum of the balloon rocket? Question number 4. Explain how the balloon rocket is an example of a conservation of momentum.
The air travels in one direction. The balloon travels in another, which means momentum.
As a driver, what do you need to install or use seat belts and other shocks observed in vehicles?
As drivers, it is crucial to prioritize safety on the road. Installing and using seatbelt and other shock absorbers in vehicles can greatly reduce the risk of injury and cause of an accident. These safety measures provide protection and stability, ensure a safety driving experience for all passengers.
2. Suppose a car is traveling at the speed of 90 km per hour when a person suddenly crosses in the middle of the road. To prevent hitting the person, the driver has 2 options. Either he crashes his car in the concrete wall or a body agricultural lot. Which of these should be wisely to do lessen damage or risk?
Faced with the dilemma of choosing between crashing into a concrete wall or a muddy agricultural lot to avoid hitting a person crossing the road, the driver must carefully consider the